In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a text box in Docusign in the easiest way possible. Whether you're new to electronic signatures or looking to streamline your document workflow, adding a text box is a straightforward process that can be accomplished in just a few simple steps. First, you'll want to start by heading over to the Docusign website. This platform is celebrated for being a leading authority in electronic signatures and intelligent agreement management. Once you are on the homepage, look for the option to log in. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to set one up. But for those of you who are ready to go, simply enter your login credentials and proceed. After successfully logging in, navigate to the Docusign home. From here, the interface might seem a bit crowded for newcomers, but don't worry, it's quite user-friendly once you start navigating around. On the homepage, look for the option to view your templates. Selecting a template is fundamental since templates can significantly reduce the time spent preparing documents, making this the most efficient route. Once you've selected the template you wish to use, you'll need to add the specific details pertinent to your document. This step involves filling out required fields such as recipient information or any other predefined fields that need updating to fit your specific needs. After everything is filled in, click on the Next button to proceed further. This will bring you to a page where you can add various fields to your document. Now comes the crucial part, adding the text box. You'll see a toolbar with several field options to choose from, but you'll want to focus on the one labelled text. It's typically represented by an icon that looks like a small piece of lined paper or a letter T. Click on this option and you'll be able to position the text box anywhere within your document. Simply drag it to your preferred location. Once the text box is in place, you can customize it to fit your preferences. You can adjust its size by clicking and dragging the corners or sides of the box. Also, consider pre-configuring text formats such as font style, size, and color to ensure that your document looks professional and neat. With the text box now added and customized, make sure to double check all changes. You'll want to ensure that everything aligns perfectly and all details are accurate before sending it out for signatures. When you're satisfied with the setup, you can go ahead and finalize your document for distribution. And there you have it. Adding a text box in Docusign is as simple as that. By following these steps, you'll have your documents personalized and professional in no time. Thank you for joining us today, and make sure to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.